Welcome back guys, I am CS Piyush Goyal and in this video we are going to discuss about how to file the income tax return by the army personnel. And this is a very important video if you are a army personnel and if you want to file their ITR, and if you want to know how to file and what are the process, and which points keep into mind while filing the ITR. And if you have any confusion regarding if you want to choose a new regime, new tax regime or old tax regime, which one is better, so this video is going to be very helpful, and I will discuss the detailed process of how to file the ITR in very practical in this practical video. Let's start the process. And first you have to log in on your login ID and password. And after login you will find this screen. And in this screen, first you have to download the form 26 AS and ready the form and collect the form 16 from your employer, if your employer is central government or state government and whatever government. And thereafter you have to download AIS and TIS. You have to click on proceed button, and then you have to download AIS and TIS. You have to click on that option, and after that you have to click on TIS and AIS. Thereafter you have to download the form 16 26 AS, sorry, 26 AS from that option. After clicking that, you have to fill all the figures as per the form 26 AS and AIS TAS in the ITR. If the figures are mismatching with the 26 form 26 AS and AIS TAS, there is a high possibility you have to receive the notice from the income tax department. So all the figures which are you entering in the ITR, and make sure that all the figures are tally with the form 26 AS and AIS TIS. After that, first you have to click file now. And after that you have to select the assessment year 24-25. After that you have to select online mode and click on continue button, and click on the start new filing. After that you have to click on individual option and click on the continue and select the ITR. In your case, if you are RV person, you have to select form ITR 1 and click on the proceed with the ITR 1. And after that click on the let's get started. You have to select the form 16, and thereafter this in this page, and what are the reasons due to which you are filing ITR. Your taxable income is more than basic exemption limit, others region, or if your regions are falling in this criteria, the select the most appropriate option which are applicable in your case. And in my case, the reason for due to which I am filing ITR is taxable income is more than the basic exemption limit, and click on the continue button. After that, clicking on the continue button, click on the personal information. And after clicking the personal information, you have to verify all the your personal detail which is showing here. And after that click on the nature of employment. If you are a central government employee, select the central government option. And if you are a state government employee, select the state government option. If you are a public sector undertaking, then it means if you are falling in which category, you have to select that option, right? I am selecting the central government option. And after that select the 139 one. And after that you have to uh, one question is asking that you want to continue in new tax regime or old tax regime. In new tax regime, you will the tax on the amount of 7 lakh rupees, up to the 7 lakh rupees income of 7 lakh rupees, you have not to pay any amount of tax. but in new tax regime, the assessee will not get any exemption and deduction. But if you are choosing the old tax regime, in that case you will get the many exemption and deduction in the old tax regime, right? So do you wish to exercise option 115 BSc for opting out of new tax regime? It means you want to avail new tax regime or not. If you want to new you if you want to avail the new tax regime, and there is a option showing opting out. If you opting out, yes or not. If you not to opt out, click on no button. If you opt out, click on yes button. And thereafter you have to check the bank details in which you are willing to receive the refund. Or bank details are must be validated, otherwise your refund amount will not be credited. Thereafter click on the confirm button, and click on the gross total income. In the gross total income box, you have to enter all the incomes. It means if you receiving income from salary, you have to enter all the income. If you have income from house property, enter all the income. And income from other sources, right? In that case you have after entering your all the incomes in house property, salary, and other sources, click on the confirm button. And after clicking on confirm button, thereafter you have to enter all the deductions. It means if you have taken any LIC, if you have invested any amount in mutual fund, if you have taken a NPS or any other investment, you have invested in any other investment scheme, then you have to take a exemption in 80C of the Income Tax Act. The limit of deduction in 80C is 1,50,000 maximum. And thereafter you have spent a medical expenses, so you have to take that deduction in section 80D. Maximum amount of deduction is, well, for 50,000. After entering all the deduction, click on the confirm. And after clicking confirm, click on the tax paid. After clicking on the tax paid, the all the income will show here. And the total TDS, which which is the deducted during the year, will be showing here. And after clicking on confirm button, you will click on the total tax liability. Your total tax liability will show here. And after that, you have if you have any refund, the refund amount will be shown in that portal. And after clicking on this confirm button, the 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 total tax liability will show here. And click on the proceed button. And you have to pay 620 amount as a tax amount. And after clicking on that, you have to verify the ITR, verify the ITR by clicking on the Aadhaar OTP. And after clicking on the Aadhaar OTP, you will able to file the ITR. This is a complete video. And if you have any query regarding the which option is better, old tax regime is better, new tax regime is better, how to and how to report all these incomes, and if you have a stock market transaction in addition to the salary income, how to report that transaction in the ITR, you will connect on the my number given on the screen. Thank you, guys.